India now has 2,46,628 coronavirus cases, data from the Union Health Ministry showed this morning. As cases continue to surge, 10,434 fresh infections were reported on Saturday, highest Delhi spike so far. The total cases in the country include 6,929 people who have died of the highly contagious infection. With coronavirus cases on the rise, AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria said that coronavirus cases in India could peak in 2 to 3 months, but he maintained that there is no community transmission at the national level. Moving on to the next news, several complaints of foul smell emanating from different areas of Mumbai were received by officials on Saturday night, prompting the city's civic body, the BMC, to dispatch fire services. Complaints were made by residents in the area of Chembur, Ghatkopar, Vikroli, Pavai, Andheri and Mankurd. The origin of the smell though is still under investigation. Moving on to the next news, military commanders of India and China held talks on Saturday in their first major attempt to resolve the month-long border standoff in eastern Ladakh. The talks were held at the border personnel meeting point in Moldo on the Chinese side of the LAC, opposite the Chushul sector of eastern Ladakh. The outcome of the held meeting is still unknown. Moving on to the next news, the Delhi Medical Association on Saturday hit out at Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal after he warned hospitals of stern action if they refuse COVID-19 patients or indulge in black marketing of beds amid growing concerns over a surge in coronavirus cases in the national capital. Delhi Medical Association strongly condemns the way Delhi CM is warning the doctors and threatening the hospitals about COVID-19 patients' admissions and tests, the body said in a statement. Doctors who are serving the people of Delhi tirelessly from last 2 months in this pandemic crisis, risking their lives, feel insulted by the way they are being treated, it further added. Moving on to the next news, following the resignations of 3 of its MLAs in the state ahead of Rajya Sabha elections on June 19, the Congress Saturday shifted its remaining 65 MLAs to 3 different resorts in the state in an attempt to thwart any more resignations that could further jeopardize the party's tally here. In the view of restrictions pertaining to gatherings in the time of COVID-19 outbreak, the party has divided its legislators in 3 groups, confining them locally at resorts in Ambaji, Rajkot and Vadodara.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.